Are you ready, Edward? Okay, Thelma, let's go. The sled team. It's fall, can you tell? We're ascending. Some people are descendants, we're ascendants. Yeah, it just gets better and better. Rosier and rosier. Burnished gold, copper. Come on, Thelma. They're usually together. It's just that I'm working with one hand. Let's water the flowers. Let's bring the flowers back to life. See this? This is pine tips. Nobody's pissed on this. Absolutely, completely edible. We already did the composting. I'm carrying it with me. Now I'm going to eat. I'm going to dine in style. Pine tips. Grooming. Not that pedophilia type grooming. Okay, now let me just step on the leashes here and show you how to do it, baby. Okay, so with my nice fingernails. Oh, yep, so I'm going to eat that. I tried to eat about 6 or 8 of them one day. It was like really sappy gum. So I'm taking it small nibbles at a time. I just went through a cobweb. So, oh, birds, crows, real life. Somebody was talking to me about the grounding and the centering, and I did that with an incense burner. Yeah, incense stick. Thelma. And to go sleep outside. Well, they don't live downtown. You don't sleep outside safely because everybody that's sleeping outside is looking for a place to sleep outside or to steal somebody's stuff, to break into a car, to live in their motorhome. Who the heck knows? That's not really a good one. Oh, it is freezing. It is so cold out right now. So cold. Okay. I'll show you me. I don't care. Again, I haven't slept since yesterday. I don't really care. I'm really fed up with society in general. And so much more I could say. Nature, though, that's what I miss. This week I'm buying a lot of nature. Not this, so it's not for sale. And I'm taking it inside a 150 square foot place. While I live there, I might as well be loving there. So this is what they charge you a lot of money for, pine pollen. Originally it comes from pine tips. Superfood. Miracle. Mother Nature graces us with her presence, and she has more than one present to give us. Amazing. People take these pine tips and they vinaigrette them, which is an embalming fluid, vinegar. That's why so many people are dried out pussies. Of both genders. By the way, there's only 2 of them. Not 2 people. Isn't it pretty? Even though it's quite an overcast sky. Doggies are happy though. Right, Thelma? Right, Edward. Oh, my best friends. Oh, best friends. Oh, yeah. I'm so blessed. So, good morning, sunshine. Eat your pine tips. Tell me how you like them, what you've done with them. Please don't fry them or fricassee them or vinaigrette them. Please eat them as a living food full of enzymatically alive nutrients. There's more. More for later. Bless you. Bless me. Bless doggone all of us. Listen to the birds. And follow Mother Nature's voice. Thank you. I don't know why this isn't turning off. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. What's happening?